Hello friends, let's make salt to taste new style chicken recipe. So the very first thing we're gonna make a puree of garlic, onion, ginger, tomatoes. Now we need half cup of cooking oil. Now add the puree here in the oil. Add some salt to taste, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, coriander seed powder. Add some yogurt. Mix very well. Now let's cover everything and cook for 15 minutes on a medium heat. So friends, our simple and delicious chicken recipe is ready. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend.